way to connect with God and fill our hearts with peace. Now I invite Varshita and Navnita to say prayers. I request everyone, close your eyes and join your hands. Lord in heaven, hallowed by them, their kingdom come, they will be read on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our day. Thank you, friends. Now I invite Chesta to say the welcome speech. Good morning everyone with great respect and love. Now I invite our respected principal, hardworking teachers and my dear friends. My name is Chesta from class 6. I am honored to host today's morning assembly. Today is 29th August 2025. We are gathered here to start the day with positivity and focus. Thank you. Thank you, Chesta. Now I welcome Anvita, Bonasri and Satvika to say Bible Bhagavad Gita Quran. Morning to all, a reading taken from the book of Bible. Teach me to do your will, for you are my God, your spirit is good, lead me in the land of uprightness. Thank you. Good morning to all, a reading taken from the book of Holy Bhagavad Gita. It is never about time, it is priority, it is your priority, you will make time for it. Thank you. Good morning to all. A reading taken from the book of Quran. Don't look at what he is talking, but look at what he is saying. Thank you, friends. National flag is a symbol of freedom or self-rule. National flag is national pride. It is a political development of India, spiritual guidance to the people of India. So now I invite our class leader Vidya to host our the national flag. Flag salute. India is my country.
Yes, my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of his rich and very heritage. Thank you, Anusri. Now I invite my friend Chesta to host our school flag. Flag salute. Thank you, Chesta. Now I invite my friends to perform a skit on the topic of don't compare yourself to others. If you are not satisfied with your life, then watch this until the end. This story going to change your life. Once upon a time, a crow was very unhappy with his life. One day, he started crying sitting on a tree. A monk was sitting under the tree. Just then, a drop of the crow tears were fell on the monk's head. His razor is dead and the crow was crying. Why are you crying? I am very upset with my life. No one loves me. So don't give anything to eat. Hate everyone. Death is the better than such life. Don't be upset. Tell what do you want? I can make it my mantra. Oh, bless blessed one, please make a swan. Okay, I will make a swan. But first go to a swan and ask whether he is happy or not. The crow happily flew and met a swan. Hi swan. Hi. How beautiful you are, white in color. So everyone loves you. Must be the happiest bird in the world.
No, my friend, I am not happy. There are so many beautiful colors in the world. I don't have any color. White is nothing. I think parrot must be the happiest bird in the world. It's so colorful.
The crow flew away and reached the parrot. Oh parrot, you are so beautiful and colorful. Must be the happiest bird in the world.
No, my friend, I'm not happy. People keep parrots in cages. I'm only afraid someone hold me and lock me in cages. I think peacock is the happiest bird in the world once he is more colorful than me.
The crow flew and looking around for a parrot. He finally found a parrot in cage in a zoo. Dear peacock, you are so beautiful and colorful. Must be the happiest bird in the world.
I always thought I was the most beautiful and happiest bird on the planet. But because of my beautiful, I am entrapped in this zoo. When people pluck my colorful leather to make decorative things, it hurts a lot. I am not happy, my friends.
If you are not happy, then who is the happiest bird in the world?
I realized that you are the only bird not kept in cage. People did not catch in these past days.
I could happily roam everywhere. I could be hearing this.
He came to the mark the first time the crow was happy to be.
Oh boys, don't want to be anything. As so I am in our life make unnecessary comparison with others become a sad. You should learn to be happy with what you have instead of looking at what you don't have. There will always be some more or less than comparing yourself with others. You will never be happy.
A person who is satisfied his life, he was the happiest person in the world. Don't compare yourself to others. He was the saddest person in the world.
చూసారా మిత్రులారా, ఈ నాటకం ద్వారా మీకు తెలియజేయనది ఏమనగా మనం ఇతరులను చూసినప్పుడు వారు సంతోషకరమైన జీవితాన్ని గడుపుతున్నారని, మనం కష్టాలలో ఉన్నామని ఇతరులతో పోల్చుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. కానీ ప్రతిరోజు రాత్రి పగలు ఏ విధంగా ఏర్పడతాయో ప్రతి జీవిలో కష్టాలు సుఖాలు ఉంటాయి. ఇతరులపై ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఈర్ష్య పడకూడదు. అట్లాంటి వారు జీవితంలో సంతృప్తి పొందలేరు. ఎవరైతే వారి జీవితాన్ని ఇతరులతో పోల్చుకోకుండా ఈర్ష్య భావాన్ని కలిగి ఉండారో వారి జీవితంలో సంతృప్తికరమైన జీవితాన్ని గడుపుతారని తెలియజేస్తూ మీ 6వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు. Now I welcome my friends to perform a debate on the topic of cyber security. According to EYS, latest global information security survey GISS 2018-2019, India edition, one of the highest number of the cyber threats have been detected in India. Country ranks second in terms targeted, banking or telecom most targeted, manufacturing, healthcare, significant of cyber attacks. Cyber security is protecting cyberspace, including the critical information infrastructure from attack, damage, misuse, and economic spoilage. Cyberspace, a global domain within the information technology infrastructure, including the internet telecommunication network of computer system. Critical information infrastructure, according to section 71 of the Information Act, CIA is defined as a computer research and incompetent vessels or deployment impact of the nationally secret economy or public health or safety. Motive behind cyber attacks: to commercial gear by hacking banks and financial institutions, to attack critical assets of a nation, to penetrate into both corporate and military data servers to obtain plans and intelligence, to hack sites, virally communicate a message, to coordinated by politics and society. Types of cyber attacks: malware, phishing, denial
of cyber attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks, external injections, cross-site scripting. Components of cybersecurity. Application security. It encompasses measures or countermeasures that are taken during an application. Development process to development, deployment, upgrade and maintenance. Information security. It is related to the protection of information from an unauthorized avoid to access, identify thieves and to protect privacy. Network security. It includes activities to protect the usability, reliability, integrity and safety of the network. Need for cyber security for individuals. Photos, videos and other personal information shared by individuals on social networking sites can be inappropriately used by others, leading to an serious, even life cheating incidents. For business organizations, companies have a lot of data and information on their system. A cyber attack may lead to loss of competitive information. Recent steps taken by government. Cyber Surakshit Bharat Initiative, National Cyber Security Coordination Center, Cyber Swachh Kendra, Security Education and Awareness Project, International Cooperation. Thank you, friends. Always thought is great to start with morning. The great thought. Thought inspire and motivate our minds. So I would like to invite my friends to say today's thought. Good morning to all. I am Sahitya. Today's thought. Every day is a new page. Every month is a new chapter. Every year is a new series. Good morning to all. I am Vaishnavi. Today's thought. One tree can make 1 million matchstick, but one matchstick can burn 1 million trees. One negative thought can burn all positive thoughts. Thank you, friends. Now I invite Anusri to say out of thanks. Now my friends to say medical abbreviation or shortened forms. Let's welcome.
First, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. This is a combined undergraduate degree that qualifies individuals to become a medical doctor. MD. MD stands for Doctor of Medicine. MD is 3 years postgraduate after completing medical MBBS course. MS. MS stands for Master of Surgery. PhD stands for Doctor of Philosophy. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. DDS stands for Doctor of Dental Surgery. MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Image, X-ray which use radiation to image bones. IV stands for intravenous, a medication or fluid delivered directly into a vein. US stands for urine analysis and examination of the urine to check for signs of infection. CRP stands for C-reactive protein. It is a protein produced by the liver on the response of inflammation infections. CBC stands for complete blood count, which examines blood cells. CMP stands for comprehensive metabolic panel, which measures electrolyte kidney function. ESR stands for erythrocyte sedimentation rate. TSH stands for thyroid stimulating hormone, a hormone that checks functioning of the liver. Biopsy, the examination of a tissue sample removed from the body to diagnose a disease. PICU stands for Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. It is a specialized hospital unit that provides critical medical care for seriously ill or injured children. PICU stands for Pediatric Anesthesia Care Unit. Blood culture detects the presence of germs in the blood, helping to diagnose infections. Thank you, friends. Now I welcome my friends to say some notable chemist scientists. 1743 to 1794 was a French chemist who helped development of metric system. He also started law of conservation of mass. In 1787, Levison published Method of Chemical Nomenclature. Har Gobind Khurana, 1922 to 2011, was an Indian American biochemist who won the Nobel Prize in 1968 for demonstrating how the nucleotides
in nucleic acid control the synthesis of proteins. Louis Pasteur 1822-1895, a French chemist, discovered that food spoilage causes microorganisms. He developed a process is called pasteurization, which involves heating milk to beverage kill harmful microorganisms present in them.
Chintamani Nageshwar Ramachandra Roy was born on 1934. He was an Indian chemist who has worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. He presents nanotechnology, especially nanomaterials consisting of carbon molecules. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now my friend Anusri to say vote of thanks. Good morning. Good morning to all. We have now reached the end of today's assembly. Thank you everyone for participating. You may now proceed to your classes. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Anusri.